is. Get hit by a chunk of salt now. Their salt's a little chunky, I thought. Salt's flying. You must have already salted that way. Okay. I think your salt spreader's brokey. I don't know why you turned it on for a second there. This is what I meant by, I saw a salt chunk go flying. I saw it come out of the truck. I think my camera saw it too. That's some clumpy salt. Very clumped. Yeah, I just kicked that pretty hard and it didn't even break. Nearly flung my shoe there. Not breaking, so that is probably last year's salt delivery for them right there, or part of last year's. I don't want to get hit by a salt chunk though. Would not be fun. Would be funny though. Would be pretty funny. Okay, so that clip we just saw of the snowplow, I don't remember what the name of the storm is that's about to hit, but it's gonna be mainly freezing rain. Yes, I am also treating stuff. I mean, this is all I have to treat, really. Everything this is treated except this, but pretty much, I don't remember the name. I think it's like Freya or something. I don't remember. I think the neighbors' lights are broken. Their lights in their house are just flashing on and off. So that was just the township salting. Nothing's really supposed to start for another like hour, maybe 2 hours or so. That's about it, other than you seeing the guardrail kid salting. I do need to salt these stairs over here, or well, steps. Good enough. I'll be good. I'm not gonna really throw a bunch of salt down for it to just get covered by ice. I'll let this work for how long it will, and then once it's over, get it melting.